This is Scott the Fix-It Guy with a really easy, fast fix for a gas burner that is not giving you an even flame or a weak flame. So when you make sure that it's cooled down, you remove the burner cap, and using a sharp implement, I'm using a dental tool, but you could use a straightened paper clip. You want to just open up all these little holes here. And then the one that works the best is to take something sharp and poke it down into this little central hole. Sometimes it's a ways down, like maybe an inch down, but if there's a little brass piece called a jet, and you use an extended paper clip and you wiggle it around in there, it'll knock out any obstruction that might be in there, and then you'll get a nice flame again. So it's really easy. Should just take you maybe a minute or two. And often it's the front burners that get that from a boil over condition. Get some like maybe boiled milk that gets caught in there. It's a really easy one to do, and it'll get your burner working really strong again. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance and like the video. Thanks so much for watching.